Hello people, in the previous video as part of first part of project we scrapped important data from the website, right? Like if you see the output of the program, coronavirus cases, the important data we scrapped. Now what we do is we'll open the website. Like if you see here, there's a big table here. What we do, we'll just scrap this data and we'll convert this into CSV format. Okay, so before that, let me inspect the table. Like if you see here, it contains mainly table head and table body. Table head, if you see, I'll just click on this table head. This is table head and table body is this. Okay, I'll explain you. I'll just draw a table and I'll explain you. Wait, like if you see here, table, if you take this as table, this is first row, we call it as table header. Okay, and here in this we're not going to scrap this table header. Why? Because we will give our own header. Okay, so and again I just want to confirm one thing. We will scrap only just first 6 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, up to total recover we'll scrap it. Okay, and let me tell you one more thing. This is table header is this, and table row is this one. This we call it as table row. Okay, so inside a table, this is table header and this is table body, and inside the table body we have table rows, and in every row we have table data. Okay, inside we have table data. Okay, so just again I'm repeating, every table has two parts, table header and table body. Top table body, it has table rows. Okay, in for every rows there is table data. You got it. So what we are doing is first we'll scrap table body. From body we'll take rows, from rows we'll go move into table data. Okay, so we'll write the code. So first what we need to do, we need to use the same concept, same soup. Okay, we'll take table body as one variable, table body. We need to use the soup dot find, soup dot find tag is t body. And one thing here I want to make clear, and before that I wrote it find all div id, but here if you observe this website, it has only one table. Okay, so we need not to use div tag or id any id. Okay, so that's why I'm using directly find. Okay, now what I want to do is just I need to take table rows also. So table rows, how I'll go to table rows, I need to use the t body. So I'll just let me take table rows variable, just table rows variable is equal to table body dot, here find all tr. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to create some list to store the values. Okay, countries. See, if you observe here, if you observe the website, like we have country, total cases, new cases. I'll use the names. Okay, I'll use the first, just where it is, here it is, countries. So I'll create list and I will store the data here. Next, total cases. Next, today new cases, some new cases. Total death total death of particular country. Just empty list I'm creating to store the scrap data. Next, today's death. So this represent how many people died today. Total recoveries. So recoveries, total recoveries. Okay. Now, like now we need to go to each table row and we need to get the each table data. Okay. So how to do that? See, each table row we need to go and we need to get the each table data. This one we need to get it. So if you observe here, see here, there's a table row here. Okay, inside table row, like you have TDs. Okay, so for each table row, we need to go inside table data. Like for this row, we have so many table data. So again, we need to use for loop here. Okay, so what we need to do, for tr in, so table rows, so the variable name, table rows, so get td is equal to tr dot find all tds. Okay, now we need to append those values into this list. You got it. So now we need to append this. So for this, what I will write it, just I will write it like countries dot append 1 minute, let me go down. So it starts from 0 indexing, no? So td of 0 dot text only, we want the data. Okay, so same thing we need to copy and paste it for 6 times. Just copy and paste it. Oh, just we'll see alignment will be same. Let me paste it first, then we'll change it. Oh, now we need to change the names. So total cases, no, copy and paste it here. This should be, oh, we copied in that. No problem, we'll do it again. This one we will copy. Oh, 1 minute. So what we do is, we'll just copy this. We'll just paste it here. Okay, in the same way, we need to do the all. So this index will be 1. Okay, just new cases. Paste it here. Today death. Just I'll change the index also. Wait, once I copy this, I'll change it. Okay, now let me change the index numbers. This will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Oh, any missed? Okay, we missed new cases. Okay, so we'll just copy. Here you should be very careful. If you miss one letter also, you'll get error. So take your time and do slowly. I hope you're doing parallelly with me. If yes, very good. Okay, now what we are doing, we created empty list. For the empty list we are passing these values. Okay, next we need to create headers. Okay, we only scrapping the this one, no, only table body you are scrapping, no, so we need to create the headers, table headers. So for this table headers we'll create, so that we'll understand. So come out of the for loop. Headers is equal to, this also will be in list. Now just countries, we will give some meaningful name, countries, comma, next new cases, new cases, new cases, total cases, next total death, total death, next what we have, today's death, oh caps, today's death, next total recoveries, total recoveries, spelling, close the list. Okay, we got the header also, we got it. Now we need to create the data frame. Okay, we need to store this, we need to zip it and we need to store it. Okay, so for this what I will do, I'll just import pandas. Pandas has PD. Okay, now we need to create this data frame. So for this I'll just take a variable as df. Df I take df is equal to pd dot, we need to use data frame, data frame. Okay, here we need to use list function, list of zip this complete thing, this one, countries, this all we need to mention one by one. Okay, what we have, countries, we have, if you give mistake, spelling mistake here, it will give an error. Countries, new cases, total cases, total. Okay, better we'll copy and paste it, copy, paste, today's death, total recoveries okay, just close this. Here we need to mention column is equal to headers. Okay, let's write columns is equal to header is equal to headers. Okay, now it's done. Just we need to print it. Where it is? Just print, just df will print it. Okay, now save this. Now run this. If everything is right, we'll get the data frame. Okay. We'll see what more errors will get it. Where it is? Oh, we missed inverted commas. Indentation error we are getting. One minute, just now check. We'll check. We'll see. Means I think we gave so much. Write it inside. So actually it's okay. Now we'll run it. Very careful with the indentation. See how many errors we are getting. The basic ideal, that's the problem. So otherwise it would suggest some indentations. See, here we gave one extra, so everything should be under same thing. Invalid syntax, where it is? Just last line. No, we maybe missed something. Columns is equal to headers, but we missed here comma. Okay, very careful. Now see, we'll just wait for the result. If everything is went well, we'll get the result. As node data. Okay, data frame it is. Where it is? Oh, save this and run this. Hope this time we'll get the. So it's scrapping. No, it will take some time. So if everything went well, it will give us output. We'll get the table. We'll see. See, we got the table. Okay, see, it has so many values, but it's not able to print everything. It has 201, so it means almost 200 countries got infected. So it starts from 0. No, it means 201 countries. 201 countries means 2 not 2, total 0. No, see how deadly it is. So almost every country got infected. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to convert this into CSV file. Okay, let's see how to do that. Just for this, very simple. This is df. No, So for this df we have two CSV, we have this function. With the help of that we can convert. Where it is, df to CSV, and we need to give the path. Okay, so what we do, like I'll just create a file near in the desktop. I'll give the path. I already have this. I'll just create a new folder, project. Oh, it's already there. Let me create one more project C, something like that. I'll open this. So let me take the path of it. If the path not copied, we'll take the path. Now we need to give it here. Just double. Just give the name data.csv. It will store here. Okay, so we need to give the this double quotes. Okay, now run this. Now what you do, just open that folder, project C. One minute, it means it not run it. Okay, so we got the output here. Now wait, now check. See here, if we got the data in the CSV format. If you see here, you see all the columns what we gave. Okay, it's opening. See here, data. So these are all the columns. So this is how we can scrap the data from the website. So it means we created one data set. Okay, now next video we'll use this data set and we'll visualize it. Okay, so see, this is real time, guys. Like we are getting it directly. Okay, so they are updating every minute. We are getting the data. Like whenever you will run it, you will get one more CSV file. If you run it, the one more CSV file will overlap into that. You got it. So this is in this video. Next video I'll show the using matplotlib. We'll run it. Okay, thank you.